Alright, let's try this one. There's no need for me to piece by piece guide you through doing little bitty pieces at a time. I'm just going to give you this guy. This is 3 times the cube root of x minus 2. Now, be very careful here. This isn't like the other graphs that we've had before, where the parentheses would close off what's inside the function, or the absolute values would tell you definitively what's inside and what's not. You have to make sure that you write things correctly. Don't get crazy when you do your radical symbol. Okay? It stops on the x. It does not extend over the minus 2. So is this minus 2 inside or outside the function?
Outside.
So that means what?
You're going down.
No, you're going down. Yes, this is going down to, what about the 3 in front? What does that mean?
It's cubed.
No.
Oh, that's the big 3.
This is a multiple of 3. This is a factor of 3. So I'm going to stretch this guy.
That means, but you gotta put times 3.
Oh, so it's stretched by a factor of 3. You like that? That? Okay. Okay. But it's a cube root, so what's the shape of the cube root function?
Oh, what's that?
That's right. You got to do
Walk like an Egyptian.
Yeah, walk like an Egyptian, yes. Something that looks kind of like this, right? Y'all buy that? Yes or no? So where is your, there's no vertex here, but there is a special point, that base point that was at the origin, right? Where is he now? What did I do with this guy? He was right here. He went down 2, so I'm moving it down 2. So that's going to act as my new origin. Okay. Now, since I'm dealing with the cube root function, the numbers I'm going to work with are going to be a little bit different than the square root function. So here's 0. 1 is always good. What's the next number I'm going to concern myself with? The cube root. 8. Then we've got -1 and I have -8. These are the key points here. So I don't need to worry about going down 2 anymore. I've already taken care of that. I'm worried about my stretch of 3. From here, though, what's the cube root of 1? 1. What's the cube root of 8? 2. Now, if I didn't have the 3 in front, if I just had this guy right here, that's where my points would be. Right here, up 1, and then up 2 from that. But when I've got this factor of 3 here, what's going to happen?
Times 3.
Right, so instead of being up 1, I'm going to be up 1, 2, 3. Instead of being up 2, I'm going to be up what?
6.
6. And you're going to have a similar thing happen on the left side here. Cube root of -1 is -1. Cube root of -8 is -2. But I've got that multiple of 3 here, and it's going to scale things up. So 3 and 6. You may see, I don't know how I'm going to get through these points. Remember, here in the middle, it's almost vertical. It's not exactly vertical, but hey, you're just sketching this out, so you're trying to just make it look nice. And so you got to start curving. You go through that point. And you just kind of reflect it. Kind of, I guess it's a different type of reflection, different type of symmetry that you're going to see come up later. So your graph is going to look something like this. What do you guys think? I know, you don't believe me. That's fine. I'm going to come here to my calculator, and then you will believe me. So if I have 3 cube roots of x, close off those parentheses, minus 2. Let's see if it looks the same. Well, hot dog. Looks pretty good. Huh? What do you guys think? Questions about that one?